Most people don't realize how bad their webcam is until a meeting starts and everyone looks like a shadow. I got tired of that, so I bought and tested 5 popular options myself. I used them for work calls, late-night chats, and streaming to figure out which ones are actually worth your money. Product number 1: Logitech Brio 101 Full HD 1080p Webcam. When I picked up the Logitech Brio 101, it felt simple but solid, nothing flashy, just clean and lightweight. The sliding privacy shutter clicked smoothly, which I appreciated right away. In real use, the 1080p video looked sharp without me touching any settings. I tested it in a dim room, and the auto light balance noticeably brightened my face without blowing things out. The built-in mic surprised me. Coworkers heard me clearly without asking me to repeat myself. I plugged it into my laptop and desktop, and it worked instantly with Zoom and Teams, no setup stress at all. I also liked knowing it works with newer console chat modes if I ever need that. If you want a reliable webcam for daily meetings and don't care about extra bells and whistles, this one just works. That simplicity sets the tone for the more feature-heavy options I tried after that. Product number 2: Nexi Go StreamCam N930E. When I held the Nexi Go N930E, the built-in ring light immediately stood out and felt sturdy around the lens. It clips on easily, and the touch controls for the light were responsive. During calls, that ring light actually saved me more than once, especially at night, giving my face an even glow without looking harsh. The autofocus tracked me well when I leaned back or forward, which made conversations feel more natural. Video quality stayed crisp at 1080p, and the wide angle fit my desk setup nicely. The microphone did a decent job cutting background noise from a fan running nearby. Setup was literally plug and play on both my PC and Mac. If you're working in less than perfect lighting and want an all-in-one fix, this webcam makes life easier. After using this, I started expecting more extras from webcams for modern remote work setups today that people actually rely on. Product number 3: Logitech C920X HD Pro Webcam. When I unboxed the Logitech C920X, it felt heavier and more premium than budget webcams I've used. The mounting clip felt secure on my monitor and didn't wobble. In actual meetings, the image looked consistently sharp, even early mornings with terrible lighting. The autofocus snapped into place quickly, and colors looked natural without tweaking anything. I also played around with the capture software, and it made recording quick clips pretty painless. There's no built-in privacy shutter, which is something to keep in mind. Still, the overall reliability is why this model has been around so long. If you want a proven webcam that handles meetings, recordings, and streaming without surprises, this one earns its reputation. Product number 4: Nexi Go N950p 4K Zoomable Webcam. When I set the Nexi Go N950p on my desk, it immediately felt like a step up, especially with the remote sitting beside it. The camera body felt solid, and the included privacy cover snapped on firmly. During calls, the 4K image looked incredibly detailed, even when I zoomed in using the remote. I loved being able to adjust framing without touching the camera, which was great when presenting. Low-light performance was strong, keeping my face clear instead of grainy. The dual mics picked up sound evenly across the room during small group chats. Setup was fast, and I appreciated having both USB-A and USB-C cables included. If you want more control and sharper video for professional meetings or content creation, this webcam feels worth the upgrade. That experience pushed me toward testing a full conference-style system. Next, to compare single-user cameras with larger meeting room needs for real office environments. Product number 5: TONGVEO All-in-One Conference Room Camera System. When I first set up the TONGVEO system, it felt more like installing office equipment than a simple webcam. The PTZ camera is solid and heavier, and the speakerphone felt well built in my hands. In use, the auto tracking impressed me the most. As I walked and spoke, the camera smoothly followed without jerky movements. The speakerphone picked up voices clearly across the room, even with multiple people talking. Setup was easier than expected, just plug and play through USB or HDMI. This isn't for solo desk setups. If you run meetings with several people or teach remotely, this system makes everything feel more organized and professional. After using this, basic webcams felt limited for group calls, and it showed me how important proper audio and tracking are in shared spaces today for modern teams everywhere. Those are the webcams I actually used and tested for different setups and budgets. Everyone fits a specific need, from solo calls to full meetings. Check the links in the description for current prices and details, and grab the one that matches how you really work.